We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for returns for to smash that like button to let me know you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with HYMC, and HYMC stock has had a strong hold up here, right? Nice support so far, but slightly in a downward direction. But it wasn't the only stock pulling downwards. The overall market pulled downwards, and the SPY as well. Our SPY bot this morning at 11:05 a.m. sent us out a bear indicator, and from that moment forward, put options went up 2 to 3x within an hour, guys. And this is our new release that allows us to have an edge within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. And you can now gain access to this resource and receive this edge as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, QQQ bot, and you can join the members that are receiving this edge as well to maximize within the volatility in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. So HYMC, as I stated, is holding up here pretty strong, sideways action, but in a slight downward trend. We're going to talk about key levels in today's video, and you're definitely going to want to stick around for what 42 vision is showing. But before we break it all down, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home runs of the day were spectacular and beyond expectations, and if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord, and by joining you'll become part of a growing community of investors all looking to learn and grow together, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. So these are the two stocks I mentioned. Both of them turned out to be a home run, and this is how they reacted in the pre-market going towards the bell. So the first one here is DRCT. We got this one a little bit below $4. Quickly started to pick up momentum, right? Under a bull indicator, full strength on 42 vision towards the bell, and ran 30% plus right after it. Then it pulled back down, got that bear indicator, went into further weakness, and once things reversed and went into strength, also that bull indicator right there, consolidation, went for a second highest point of 30% plus. So it had two runs and two opportunities of 30% plus, guys. Then we caught here NAOV as it was pulling downwards under a bear indicator and towards the bell, popped up about a 10 to 15% plus move, then pulled back down, got that full strength and transition here on 42 vision plus that bull indicator, and gave a highest point of 25% plus within minutes, guys. If you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us. We strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with HYMC stock, and it's sitting sideways as I stated earlier in the video. I'm going to pull up Ultimate 42 Vision, the bull and bear indicators, which you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. You can now gain access to this resource and join the members receiving this edge and clarity to maximize in either direction within the charts and making opportunities out of it. So here we are with HYMC under a bear indicator since yesterday, right? If we go ahead and look at it, you could see that things have been sitting sideways. It's under a bear indicator, and that's what's holding this pressure down, because there has not been a bull indicator to negate it and show full strength back up to the upside to retest certain resistance levels within the 30-minute, right? So on the 30-minute, things are under a bear indicator. There's a lot more volatility, and one of the key things we want to see here is for this bear indicator to get canceled out. But before we talk about key levels here and what we want to see to the upside and downside to be aware and prepared, I'm going to talk about the 4-hour and the 1-day so we could see the bigger picture with a little bit less volatility. So let's go ahead and pull up here the 4 hours so we could see things from the bigger picture. And in yesterday's video, the beginning of this transition to the downside has started, right? It's under a bull indicator since way down here at 136. After this consolidation period, explosive move to the upside. And here we are actually seeing it slightly go back down. And this right here had started once again yesterday and rolled over into today. So if this continues and goes into dark green with red borders, let's just say, if no bear indicator pops up, this could be the setup for the next bull run, as I like to call it, and as I refer to in all of my videos, right? As long as that bear indicator does not pop up, that could be the setup for the next bull run. And from way down here to up here, that is a pretty strong move within the move of the action, right? Of the chart. But it is tracing back down and shifting from green with green borders to green with red borders, right? And if the shifts continue, even though a bear indicator does not pop up, the next portion would be dark green with red borders, and we need to watch it carefully if it shifts into red bars or a bear indicator anywhere along that way down pops up here to negate this bull indicator. But as long as it doesn't happen, this could be a healthy pullback for the setup of the next bull run. I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below, but that is important to point out and pay close attention to on the 4 hour. Now, if we go over to the 1 day, you could see that things have been pretty strong since way down here at 70 cents, pushed upwards towards 2 and some change, then pulled back down. And this is a perfect example of a pullback, right? But being the setup for the next bull run if no bear indicator pops up to negate this bull indicator. This bull indicator has dominated the chart all along, and even though this pullback was pretty big and volatile, it was the setup for the next bull run. We were monitoring it. We always referred to it when we were making these videos, and you can slightly see how it leveled off before taking off, right? And if no red bars popped up and no bear indicator popped up on the 1 day, there was still some strength when it came to the bigger picture, right? So on the 4 hour, there's a little bit of volatility, and on the 30-minute, there's a lot more volatility than on the 1 day and the 4 hours. So let's break down here the key levels for tomorrow. Now on the 30-minute, we could see that bear indicator's there, but we still need to do the technical analysis to pay attention if the bears are gaining control over the chart, or if the bulls can actually break this back out to retest the highs or even newer highs that we have not seen in the recent days, right? So when we look at this, this is a slight downward trend, but if you look at it sideways, it's still holding itself up from way down here, right? These levels down here and some key levels that we've talked about. One of the key levels that we talked about yesterday was obviously the lowest point of the day, which was 219. I would just round that up to 220, and below that would be all the way down to $2, and then down here at 182. Those are the key levels to break down in the worst case scenario if the bears continue to tear this one down really, really fast. I'm going to be watching if the bulls can actually bring themselves back up from those levels and actually break out from letting the bears take over. Now to the upside, the highest point of the day is key, and that is 275. We want to see this break above that, and then also the high from yesterday when it tried to rebound, and that was 289. I would just round that up to 290, and then up here we have 310, or getting above $3 will be key. The moment it actually broke above $3, it rejected it pretty quickly. We want to see this come back up, build a support, bounce off of it, and reach newer highs, guys. That's what we want to see here based off the $3 mark, because that has been a huge resistance level and rejection area when it reaches those levels. Now, if it breaks above $3, we have the next resistance up here in the 330s and 350, guys. 350 will be a key level to see if this could continue a staircase effect and work its way up closer to $4. But before getting there, we want to see this break above 290 $3, $3.10, and hold above it, and actually within the process get a bull indicator to negate this bear indicator, and on the 4-hour and the 1-day for the strength to continue. To receive clarity within the charts, check out the link down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, and everything there is to offer, and you'll receive the clarity that you deserve and that edge within the charts and within the volatility to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. And you can now gain access to this resource and join the members receiving this access and using these resources to maximize on opportunities within the charts, price action, and movements, no matter which direction stocks are going. Receive that edge. Once again, the link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator. We look forward to having you join us. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.